Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of Love Farah Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 28th May from around the world. Rupees 68 crore for locust fight in Rajasthan. Swamps not coming to Delhi for now. As desert invasion add to India's problem in the midst of the novel coronavirus pandemic, the central government has approved assistance of rupees 68.65 crore for Rajasthan. An order was issued to the Department of Expenditure on May 23rd to release the amount to Rajasthan, and the swamps are now moving towards Madhya Pradesh. A top official at Locust Warning Organization, which monitors the movement of locust swarms, said on Wednesday that the insects were unlikely to move towards Delhi as of now because the wind current is different. Army Chief Commanders review security situation in Ladakh and Kashmir. Army Chief General M.M. Naravan and his commanders were presented Wednesday an operational review of the situation on the ground in the eastern Ladakh, where tensions have escalated between Indian and Chinese troops along the line of actual control. The presentation, sources said, include not just the situation in Ladakh but also operational challenges in other parts of the country, including Kashmir. Himachal BJP chief resigns amid COVID bribe probe. Leaving the ruling BJP red-faced in Himachal Pradesh, the party's state president Dr. Rajiv Bindal resigned from the post Wednesday on the basis of high moral grounds amid a corruption probe into the procurement of medical supplies by the government for the COVID pandemic. A song releasing on 29th May named Wedding Wala Song, promoted by Manya, Pragati and Reena Mittal of Dilli Darlings. This song will be launched on Sonotech and Gaana platform. I heartily want to congratulate to all of you on the behalf of Love Farah Media. Trump offers to mediate Beijing, says border situation stable, controllable. On the day, Beijing struck a conciliatory tone with Delhi over tensions along the line of actual control, saying the border area situation is overall stable and controllable. US President Donald Trump gave it a new dimension with his offer to mediate between the countries. There was no immediate response from the Ministry of External Affairs. In the past, the US President has offered to mediate between India and Pakistan over Kashmir, but this is the first time that he has made such an offer to India and China, referring to LAC situation as a ragging border dispute. France bans use of hydroxychloroquine as COVID treatment. The French government on Wednesday cancelled allowing hospital doctors to administer hydroxychloroquine as a treatment to patients suffering severe forms of COVID-19. The announcement comes 2 days after the World Health Organization said it was pausing a large trial of malaria drug due to safety concerns. France decided at the end of March to allow the use of hydroxychloroquine in specific situations and in hospitals only. No vaccine or treatment has yet been approved to treat COVID-19, which has killed more than 350,000 people globally. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.